Okay guys, I'm in the garage. Today's October 26th. Update on the Galant. For those of you guys that watched the last video, you guys know that I dropped it off for my friend to work on it, fix the brakes, fix an oil leak, slight clutch issue. So here it is. I still have that oil leak. We removed the timing cover. There's a little cap down here. Let me see if I can get it. Right there, that was loose. My friend replaced it. We thought that's where the oil leak was coming from. But it's probably the shitty O'Reilly's valve cover gasket. So I highly recommend nobody using that. I ordered an OEM one. I ordered an OEM timing cover. And bolts from Extreme PSI online. When those gets here, I'll do a video when I get those. But the Galant's back. He did have to try to adjust the clutch, but it is still not enough. It still can grind at times, so eventually this transmission has to come off, and it's got to get shimmed. So that's kind of shitty, but for now it's running. I've had it back for about 2 weeks. A week I was on vacation, but it's back at home, and today it is going back to my friends so that we could get this installed, which you guys have already seen the unboxing video, which is the one before this, the Sikky pullback hydraulic e-brake with the Willwood master cylinder. So that's gonna get installed, and I will try to show you guys right now where I'm thinking that might get installed. But today it is going back to my friends. I haven't been uploading very many videos. Today is the 26th of October. The next video that I'm working on is the Jeep Wrangler video. So when you guys see that video was like almost 2 hours of editing, of recorded footage I had to edit. So that's why it's been a good week and a half since I've been able to update. Plus I was on vacation for about a good week of that. But I'm going to shut off the camera and show you guys where I'm thinking of getting the hydraulic e-brake installed. Okay guys, so I'm messing with the fitment of this just to kind of see how my friend may do it. We're thinking on this side, but damn, I wish this was taller. So I don't know if I need to contact Sikky to get this taller, but I don't know. It would go somewhere along like this, but then the rails to the seat kind of right there. My friend's a mad genius. Even if it's, as long as I could pull it back, hold it, and then let it go. So maybe even if it's this far just hanging out, it's pretty far reach for me, but when I pull it back, it'll be like perfect. So it should work out. I'm excited. Hopefully my friend can get this done before next weekend. Next weekend is a Cash Days event, November 3rd. $50 buy-in for quarter mile and 1/8 mile. So hopefully we get this done. But other than that, I'm sure this video will be up well after the event, so look forward to those videos. Last night I did take this car out racing. I put in one race. I might put the other ones in the same video, so you'll probably see this video and then the race, and then hopefully the hydraulic e-brake installed, and then we'll go from there. And then hopefully the videos for the Cash Days event. Super excited, hoping I can win. If I can win, I could get a nice transmission, I hope, or get some stuff for the Integra that are some last parts that I need. But other than that, like, subscribe, share the video, Guys, I need your guys' support. Let's get this YouTube channel rolling. I will continue to bring you guys content. I am getting a little bit better at editing, so just stick with me, guys. Alright, thank you guys.